Balboa Island in Southern California near Newport Beach is a 0.2-mile island with 3,000 residents and a concrete boardwalk all the way around the island. It's a perfect place to take a nice walk on a beautiful summer day. There are many vacation rentals all around the island, and we saw a lot of happy families out there, building sandcastles to riding on Duffy boats to just relaxing on the beach. There are many different ways to get to the island. You can walk across the bridge, you can ride your bike, you could drive your car. And of course, taking the Balboa ferry to and from the Balboa Peninsula. And of course, a life-size cow in a polka dot bikini. And of course, my good friend, Ronnie. You may recognize this from the TV show Arrested Development.
Well, that was a totally delightful time here at Balboa Island. I never get bored of coming here. It's just a feast for the eyes. Lots of color, lots of sunshine.
Lots of interesting people, beautiful boats. Just a beautiful place to take a walk on a Saturday morning.
Make sure you subscribe to this channel and start a conversation in the comments.
Yeah, and please give us a thumbs up.
See you on our next adventure.